Finally, a how-to tutorial on how to configure the CronusMax Plus for the Xbox One. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is JoeTech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I'm going to show you how to configure, install, set up, all kinds of doodads for the CronusMax Plus for the Xbox One. Because when you buy this, you don't get everything. And it pissed my son off beyond belief. Because believe it or not, the stuff that comes in this box is not complete. You need other things. I'm going to teach you how to do it the right way from the get-go and be happy with all these cool scripts that you could run on the CronusMax. You will need the Cronus device, the mini USB cable, a full data micro USB cable, and the wired controller. These 4 things are necessary, and these are the only 4 things that you need to be used for the Xbox One console. You cannot use this device wirelessly. It must be tethered to this device. Your controller must pass through this in order for it to work. That makes sense? So what I recommend is to get a Power A controller, and it comes with the correct USB cable, because all the USB cables that you have that you use for your cell phones and all that stuff may not work. Majority of the time, if it doesn't work, it'll display AU on the display. When you get AU and display, that means your cable that you have going from this device to the controller is not being detected. All right, it can't find the controller. That means the cable is wrong. This, on the other hand, is called a full data cable. This is guaranteed. It comes with the controller and the cable, and it will work 100%. That is the reason why I'm telling you to buy this kit. Because even if you don't use this controller and you use this with your Xbox controller, your wireless one, because you have to be tethered anyway, you're guaranteed to get the right cable. So I think it's worth it for $20 because this actually offers a couple extra buttons on the back. Go to CronusMax download page. Click here. Download. Here we download the Cronus Pro version 1.2. Click Save. Or actually, if you want, just open with, I use iZark. Close this. Drag this to the desktop. I happen to already done it already. That's fine. Close this. Double click on this. On the program. Click Next. Install on everything. Click Finish. Make sure you plug this in all the way on the device. Here's the program, Cronus Pro. Now let's run it. I want to see if it actually gets detected, which it does. If you look carefully down here, it'll say device connected, CronusMax version 1.24. If your device is brand new, it may ask to update the firmware. It'll do it within the program. Just let it do it and it'll work perfectly fine. You're good to go. So he is asked me to find a script for Fortnite. Let's see, Fortnite. Multi-script, aim assist, all-in-one features, PS4, Xbox. Says auto drop, auto aim, aim assist, anti-recoil, rapid fire, double pump, auto run. So we'll get this one. We'll hit download. And now it's in the compiler. So this is the script here, and we just drag and drop into one of the slots, 1 of 9. Click the program device. You say OK, and it's done. Now this is now in the slot, and that's all there is to it. You'll just unplug the device and bring it to the Xbox. We plug in device into the USB cable into the device, and then the other end goes into the controller.
Can you do it? Oh,
I can't. Is it in?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so then we take this device is tethered to, and this is the controller that he uses with the Cronus device, and it works perfect. Once the device is plugged in, you can simply hit the button on the top to select the script that you want. You must remember, obviously, which one is which, and that's pretty much it. My son only programmed in 2 for this task, and that is pretty much it. So guys, if you thought this video was helpful, please like and share. This is a very verbose tutorial on how to configure the CronusMax Plus with your Xbox One. Gives you everything that you need. So please like and share, subscribe, and I appreciate you becoming a subscriber. Take care, and we'll see you next time.